April might seem a long way off right now, but it's just around the corner, which means so is tax day.
Yeah, joining us to talk about what you can do right now to prepare is Jill Schlesinger, editor-at-large of CBSMoneyWatch.com. Jill, good morning to you.
Morning.
Good morning.
First of all, there are some changes to deadlines this year. Tell us about that. Why is that?
Well, tax filing deadline got moved to April 18th from the dreaded April 15th. This is a quirk. It's because there's a holiday in Washington, D.C. called Emancipation Day. Don't ask, okay? Just take the 3 days and move on, okay? Now, the other thing that happened is the IRS moved the time at which you can start filing till next week. Happy Valentine's Day from the IRS. Because if you are an itemized deduction kind of tax filer, or you claim certain tax credits and deductions, you have to wait until next week to file. That's a big change, actually. It's a 1-month differential. So if you claim the higher tuition and fees deduction, if you take the educator expense deduction, you gotta wait till next week. I know, it seems like a bummer, but hey, that's the IRS's rules, and they're the ones who make them.
Forced procrastination. Fantastic. Okay, so what should we do right now, Jill?
You know what? You're starting to probably get a bunch of things in the mail, so the best thing is create a file and then take every piece of mail, look at it, open it. I know, this is crazy, open it, and look at it. And you know what you should also do is at this point, look back, because you can take your credit card statements and look through your checkbook to see maybe you actually made some charitable donations. Maybe you had some job expenses that you were looking for that, you know, when you're out of work, you can claim those as deductions. Maybe there are some miscellaneous health deductions that you can claim. So go through your old stuff and check that out. Also, pull out your 2009 tax return. That's a great guide for you to see if there's anything missing. Just want to also remind you that brokerage statements, as they start to come in, sometimes they get revised. So it's the last possible statement, and that you probably won't get that for another week. Don't start filing till you have everything. And then finally, make a decision. Are you going to do your own tax returns, or are you going to hire somebody to do it? If you're going to hire someone, you better get busy, because you have to start sending them your information as quickly as possible before they get too busy to take you on.
Now, with that being said, is it ever, real quick, is it ever better to wait to file?
Absolutely. If you have to pay, if you owe money, there's no reason to pay Uncle Sam early. You know, I know you're a great citizen and a patriot, but there's no reason to do that. So if you owe taxes, wait until the bitter end. If you're due a refund, get busy, get that refund as quickly as possible. And, you know, I know it's horrible. This is about the same as going to the dentist, but get it over with, get it done, and move on.
Then you can stop thinking about it. That's my thing.
That's it. Yeah,
That's
get out the way.
Get over with.
Thank you, Jill.
Thanks, Jill.
Appreciate it.